Hey everybody, welcome to the workshop, and today we're going over the work that has been done to this 20th anniversary Macintosh. If you saw the first video, you'll recall the Macintosh came in for a restoration. So we have completed the work, and I just wanted to show everybody kind of what we did in case you're interested in getting the service done yourself. So this is the amplifier board. This is the Bose amplifier board, as you can see, Bose. So this has quite a few caps on it, but they were nothing too special. I think this was the only low ESR one, but we went ahead and replaced that. That's a Panasonic FM, I believe. Might be FR. Let's see. FK, actually. Very good part. All the others were pretty much general run-of-the-mill caps. So those have all been replaced. All the red ones are 10 microfarad at 16. There's a few one at 50. And yeah. So what else did we do? Well, we went ahead and we replaced this header here. This is a brand new header. We replaced this header here. That one's been fully restored. So that's really all there was on this board. Nothing too crazy. Pretty typical job. And yeah, so now we move on to, well, I'll grab the this connector here. So we redid this connector. So those are brand new plated connectors. Come on, phone. It wants to focus on everything but the there we go. So those are brand new. So we crimped those on. Very nice crimps. No, I checked, they've been continuity tested. So we did that. Then they wanted a new fan. So we took the fan, cut off the ends, and then went ahead and wired it up. So red goes to red, black goes to black. These are double heat shrink, so the individual wires are heat shrunk, and then the bundle is heat shrunk, giving them some nice, strain relief. And that's really it there. Nothing too crazy, but nice little addition for the restoration. So now we come to the power distribution board. So we replaced everything on this with polymer or polymer tantalum. It's kind of polymer tantalum do not have the risk of shorting. Different chemical makeup. Kind of confusing, I know, but so these are just straight aluminum polymers. These 33s. Now we did use one regular tantalum, but that's fine. Shouldn't be a problem because this was a higher voltage. So this was a 25. We're using a 35, which accounts for the D rating. These only need about like 15% D rating, where these need like closer to like 25. So should be good there. Then we have a bunch of 47s at 16. These are 47 at 20. Most of this is probably like a 12 volt rail. We have what were 10 at 16. These are 10 at 20. And then there is one ceramic, just because it's an oddball value, 0.47. So that's what that is. Yeah, so, or is it, yeah, it might be 0.07. Can't remember. 0.47. I'm pretty sure it's just it's R47, which is 0.47. So yeah, this has been fully rebuilt. And finally, or last but not least, we have the logic board. We've cleaned it up a little bit. Again, like I said in the first video, kind of hard to ultrasonic these because these processors are a little bit touchy, a little too risky, too much risk to damage it. So we just cleaned it up with alcohol and the best we could. If the owner wants to go further, they are welcome to do that. Didn't feel like risking the board. It's fairly clean as it is anyway, so it was just like in this general vicinity that was dirty. So let's go over this board. So we again have polymer tantalums, and then we have a few aluminum tantalums. I don't think that's actually, or sorry, aluminum polymer, but I don't think that's actually what they're called. And there's a different name, but two there, another four. These are all 47 at 20. The original 16. Now this board will only ever see 12 volts, so that's plenty of derating. But yeah, so this is all good to go. And that's, yeah, this is gonna probably head out either Monday or Tuesday. Gonna get it all packed up. Got a few other things I gotta test out. There we go. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to throw them in the discussion down below. But otherwise, this project's all completed. It didn't take us as long as we were, because we kind of did things while we waited for parts. But yeah, thanks for stopping by.